So hello guys, so welcome to my new video. Oh my god. Peace. We are escaping from that monsters. Photo monster. Die! No, you
What are
see.
you doing? The next part! The bot!
Oh my god! Holy! Our truck got destroyed. Anyways, I will.
You killed me!
Monsters.
There are Nextbots in your car!
Someone
Deleting it,
said
deleting it,
if I
deleting it.
punch, then
Someone joined. I just let you know.
No. Oh my.
Where are you? Where are you?
Wait a second. I am hiding. Can
Where?
Nextbots
Where? Tell me. I'm going to die.
come fast. No Nextbots. Hee.
In the container.
Oh my god. Yeah. I don't know whether see me. I'm gonna run by my motto. Yes. That's too realistic. Oh my god.
I mean, that's not here. I'm following you.
Who is Pau? Oh my god. I'm 100 kilometers per hour. Do not accident. Oh my god. That's so scary.
Hello?
Oh!
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes. Your voice is low. Oh my
I'm
god. Oh
behind
my
you.
god. Thank god.
The Nextbot.
What happened to the next one? It's chasing you.
I'm trying to run.
Roblox.
Ah!
Just escape.
I'm
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
bringing the Nextbot to you.
No.
Did you just do a flip?
Stunt. I didn't stunt. Stunt. By the mountain. Look at my stunt, everyone. See my stunt?
Oh no, I slipped!
So bye bye guys, I will return next video. Subscribe and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
The next boss cast us. Escape failed.